Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 3 to 4 days have been very shaky, with Bitcoin falling under 67k and Dogecoin, which is the largest meme coin, falling short to 14 cents. Now keep in mind, this is probably a very good time for you guys to pile up and DCA into your favorite altcoins and make sure before the next big run up starts, you are in the good position. Right now, BNB is a very hot favorite. I mean, if you just pay attention to the trading volume, you can see it's doing some big numbers, just as Solana. And you guys also need to pay attention to meme coins. Meme coins after Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, you can see that everything is pretty much in red for now, but most likely will be making a recovery very quickly. Now this is probably the perfect time for you to invest in a meme coin and for me to carry on the series, which I have been looking for some altcoins which are gems and are just getting started at. And today I want to talk about BaseDawgz. Now if you guys haven't heard of this token, well, this is your perfect day. This is your very lucky opportunity to hear about it very early. Now the pre-sale just began recently and they have already raised over $1.2 million. Now at the rate it is growing, I personally expect it to cross 5 million very soon. So if you decide to buy it right now, that would already make it, if you guys do your maths, a 5x from now. Keep in mind they have so many chains, so you can actually buy it on Ethereum, BNB, Avalanche, Solana. You don't actually have to restrict yourself to just one chain, because this is a multi-chain dog designed for those who crave adventure. And BaseDawgz is bringing you a unique multi-chain experience at home on Base Chain. Will also trade on Ethereum, Solana, BN and AVAX. We are not just about pushing boundaries, we're going to be breaking them, and we have no limits and making sure that this is able to reach some new levels. Now what's really interesting about BaseDawgz is you guys can see their concept. Yes, first of all, they're being very close to dog or Doge related stuff right now on any Solana ecosystem or Ethereum or BNB. Doge related things do well, or meme coins always do well, and keeping all the other coins in market as well. I mean, you guys can see they're talking about Pepe, Brent. They're pretty much making fun of everything at the same time keeping it part of the community. Right now, if you want to talk about their tokenomics, well, pre-sale is started right now. It's sitting at 20%, staking is 20%, liquidity 20%, 15% for marketing, and 10% for listing, and the 15% for rewards. Now just so you guys know, the rewards are going to be also part of the airdrop. The way you guys will be able to get yourself some airdrop, so connect your X account and then create and share memes, other content about BaseDawgz. Each P4 content earns you points, and once the pre-sale is complete, you can redeem these points for Dog token. Now this is obviously going to be helping market the token as much as possible, and at the same time growing the community as much as possible. This is their roadmap, which is just get their socials, everything ready. Right now the contract has been audited, marketing has begun, and growing the social. Later on, once it goes live, they do want to go with the Coin Market Cap, CoinGecko, and in the future just carry on with the development. How do you buy? Well, it's very simple. You just need to go to their website, the link will be in the description. Simply connect your wallet, and then you guys can just select, let's say, 1 Solana, and you guys will receive your dog. Now 1 dog right now is 0.005 USD, but in about 4 days, once this has been raised, the price will also go up. Now the audit is perfectly fine. If you just go all the way at the bottom, you guys can see there's literally no issue at all. You can see critical, high, medium, everything is perfect. Their Twitter has about 3,000 followings. As I mentioned, it's just getting started, and one of their first posts has over 63,000 views. So that should give you perspective. There's going to be a lot of people that will be paying attention, and I really like the fact that they haven't just botted their followers, have like millions of followers. That's just stupidity, and just trying to grow organically. And their Telegram has about 1,600 subscribers, and as I mentioned, this is only getting started, so it would be a perfect opportunity for you to scam some, or just scab some before it goes live and the public go crazy buying this. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe. At the same time, if you want to buy this token, I'll link it down in the description. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.